Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to recover uninstalled programs and apps on Windows 10 or Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. Go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. In search, you just need to search for recover. Comes up recovery, click on open it. Select this open system restore option. Select choose a different restore point option and select next. And as you can see, I is Revo uninstaller and that has been created this restore points for these games. I uninstalled these three games. If you want to recover that, then you just need to select the game or select the date that you want to get back into the system and select the next option to continue this process. This will take some times to finish it, guys. Select the finish option and this will restart the PC, and this process will be started to restore to the state it was before. And that's how you can recover uninstalled programs and apps on Windows 10 or Windows 11. That's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.